Hello everyone, welcome back to Design and UX channel. I am Priya, and today in this video I would like to talk about how I got into the UX design field, what are the decisions and what are the mistakes I have made when I was started to learning UX design. So confusion. When we are thinking about transitioning from one background to another background or choosing a new career, usually we do have so many questions in our mind. So is this the right direction that I can go ahead? Is this the right decision that I can move with my decision? Or how to start? Where to start? Which is the best learning platform that I can learn good design methods? So let's start it with how I got into the UX design field. Basically, I am an electronics and communication engineering graduate turned to UX designer. When I was in the last semester of engineering, I got pregnant. As a pregnant, I finished my graduation and earned degree. After my graduation, I took maternity break to take care of my little one. While I was on a maternity break, I was thinking about a serious career which is passionate and interested for me. Then I found myself I was interested in design field. So that's why I chose my career as a UX designer. I decided to start learning by myself. Then I have started to learning couple of design methods and digital tools through online, and I have started creating digital mockups for the mobile devices as well as the websites. I compete those mockups into freelancing platforms. A couple of my mockups are selected for the runner-ups, but I did not win any of them. So I was searching and looking for why my websites are not winning entries. So after that I look up on a winning entries and I found myself that I was missing some standard process and design methods. It's been about 6 months of self-learning as well as competing in different freelancing platforms, and I noticed myself I was missing some standard procedures and I was missing some standard design methods. I have decided to do online courses. So that's why I was really looking for those courses which is interested to me and I can learn anytime, anywhere. Finally, I found like those courses. Through those online courses, I have worked on my first design case study and I published it online. From these online courses, I have learned a lot and I was satisfied with whatever I learned. And it's been about 8 months after enrolling on our different courses. Still, I have so many doubts in my mind. When I was working on design case studies through online courses, I only work on a solo projects. I do not have any experience about working with the team members. So when we are working with the team members, we know how we can learn and we know how to collaborate our design ideas with other designers or other members. And if any conflict occurs when we are making the design decisions, so we can learn how to handle them. I really looking for the course which is offer me an in-person as well as practice the UX design methods as well as working on design case studies with a group of members. There I have searching for those courses as per my requirement, and I finally found one of local community education course where they provide me an in-person course experience as well as working on multiple design case studies with the team members. Through this course, I have worked on multiple design case studies and I gained a good learning experience throughout this course. And I learned how to prepare a documented design case studies and how to create our portfolio and what are the content we have to included in our portfolios. So I have learned these all the things through these courses. So I have lately realized that if we are getting into a new field or we are transitioning from one career background to another career background, if we know some important points about those career, then those important points helps us to direct in the right direction and save our time as well as money. So first important thing that I noticed is when we are getting into a new field, know about the field, what is the field is, and what are the employees or the what are the people are working really in those fields. Or if we are choosing our career as a UX designer, then we have to know a few important things like what is UX design, what are the UX designer goals in everyday life, what the UX designer can do, what are the digital tools, what are the design methods in real world they are working. So these are the most important things about the UX design. So we get a clear idea about what is UX design and where we have to learn, what are the methods we have to learn. So we will get a clear idea on this. The second most important thing is the best learning platform. So nowadays in real world there are so many online or as well as in-person courses are available for the UX design students where they can get a good design experience learning. I have seen so many UX design students who are transitioning their background, transitioning their career to UX design, or the people who are choosing this career as a UX design. So they all at the beginning they all do have the same questions: where to start learning, how to start, and which is the best platform that I can learn. When I was starting as a UX design career, same questions arise in my mind. So where to start, how to start? So I decided, first I took 3 steps. Like first I decided by myself learning, and then online courses, and then do any course on the college. This was what I did. So first decided to a self learning is a little bit complicated. Be comparing with the online courses. So sometimes we may put ourselves in depression, or maybe we put ourselves in different directions, so we don't know is this the right direction or not, and we are spending more time on learning everything about the design without knowing all these important informations. Sometimes we may put in ourselves in doubts and confusions, or sometimes we put ourselves in depression. Sometimes it's very hard to succeed in our learning path. I have enrolled for the couple of online courses. These courses provides UX design students pre-recorded video lessons as well as study materials, and they provide a small communication channel for the design students where the students can ask and any questions about UX design methods as well as design projects. And these courses offers the design students to assignment based case studies. So throughout the course, students can learn different UX methods using those assignments, as well as at the final at the end of the course they can be able to do UX design case studies. When I was working on design case studies through online courses, I only work on a solo projects. I do not have any experience about working with the team members. There I have searching for those courses as per my requirement, and I finally found one of local community education course where they provide me an in-person course experience as well as working on a multiple design case studies with the team members. Most important thing about the course is what did we achieve from the course. Did we learn the UX design methods and concepts, and we are able to apply those concepts to solving user problems. Since what kind of learning experience we want, that's totally depends on our personal interest, and what kind of learning platform we are preferring, that is also depends on our personal interest as well as what kind of learning experience we want. Now I am really and confidently say that I can create my portfolio and I can apply those UX design methods to solve real world problems. Finally, at the end, I have realized that wherever we learn, whatever we learn all about the UX design concepts, and those concepts, how we are able to solve UX design problems and create an innovative design solutions for the users. The third most important thing is that reading books. When I was started as a UX design learner, I was really not reading any books, and I was lately realized that if we are reading the books, we will get so much of knowledge knowledge for rather than searching different materials, because books provide us a deep design methods as well as examples and case studies. So when we are reading the books, we find a valuable or insightful informations from those books, and we will learn so many different examples with the UX design methods. So these examples and these design case studies are being applied in real agencies. Finally, this is my learning experience on UX design. I hope my learning experience and my learning journey will help you in taking right directions and making right decisions on your learning journey. All the best, designers. I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so you will never miss any updated videos. In my upcoming video, I will talk about the difference between UI and UX design and which book is good for the beginner UX design students so that they can know the basic concepts on UX design and how it will work. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.